There are two outcomes you can have when you remove a template from a template category. The first is to remove it from a category completely and have it as a standalone template, or to move it from one category to another one. We'll go through both options. First, we're going to choose the template that we'd like to remove from the current category. Simply click the dots on the far right-hand side and click Set Category. You're going to scroll to None as the category template and hit Apply. This will now move that template by itself to the bottom of your list. Conversely, if you would like to move that template to another category, click the three dots, hit Set Category, and then choose the new category you would like it to be under. In this case, we're going to move it to facility number 1. So you can see that it is now embedded in the facility number 1 category, and you can also see that its dynamic number has changed to 2. You can also delete or rename a template category itself. It should be noted you can only do this for template categories you have created for your organization. Any categories you have imported from the template library we have provided will remain static. To rename a facility, click the three dots on the side and click Rename Category. So in this case, we're going to call facility number 1 is now Pinewood. And you will update that and you can see it will appear as Pinewood. Conversely, you can also delete that whole category. You will also have the opportunity to delete all the templates in this category or not. If you choose not to, they'll just appear at the bottom of the screen.